Good morning, everybody. It's a Saturday morning here in Eastern Massachusetts. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and me and Renee have a bunch of cleanups to do today. We're hoping to get 4 done. We'll see what happens. It's a little windy, so I know we're going to be battling some leaves blowing back at us, but we're going to do our best to try to get these jobs done because we got to get cracking on our season. I just washed the truck and trailer yesterday. It came out really nice. Here, take a look. So yesterday I went to Lowe's and I picked up this 45 coupler to go on the leaf loader, and I tried it out yesterday and it seemed to work fine. It was able to blow the grass in the back of the truck and not make that much of a mess. I was trying to get away with not having the top on the dump insert, because then when I put the top on, I can't put mulch in the truck. So rather than shovel grass clippings from the walker that I have to dump on the ground, I figured I'd just suck them up with the leaf loader and run that all year. But with this pipe going straight, it was shooting the debris right over the roof of the truck. So I picked up this coupler yesterday and I gave it a test run. I sucked up some grass clippings and all went well. So we'll see how that works out today. I'm sure I'm gonna have to do some modifications to it, but what I'm thinking is I may have to put this tarp on at least halfway to stop the debris from shooting back out of the top, but we'll see. I just played around with it for a little bit yesterday and it seemed to work good, so we'll see what happens. All right, so we're on our way to our first property. It's a small cleanup in Attleboro. I got Renee with me.
Hey guys.
Renee's gonna be on the walker, and the plan is for me to blow out all the leaves and debris from the sides of the property, excuse me, and then have Renee suck it up with the walker. So we'll get back with you when we get on the property. We'll see you soon.
Hey guys, so we just pulled up to our first property of the day. Today we're going to be doing just a very basic spring cleanup here. So I'm going to give you guys a shot here of the property, and then we'll take you along with us on this one. So just a little bit of leaves left over. Few sticks back here, nothing major. So we'll be coming back on a different day to re-edge all these beds, weed them out, and install new mulch for our customer. But pretty straightforward. We got it really clean in the fall before the winter hit, so there's not a tremendous amount of debris here to take out this spring, which is good. Just some sticks around and a few leaves here and there. Some leaves in this bag will give that a good cleaning today too. So that's about it. We're gonna get unpacked here and take you guys along on this cleanup with us.
So me and Renee went around and we picked up all the sticks that we could see, and I went around with the leaf blower and I blew out the corners of the property just to get all the leaves into the yard. And Renee's gonna run over it with the walker and hopefully pick all this stuff up. Good amount of sticks here. Clean the lawn with the walker. Hopefully get all the rest of the debris up. And the backyard should be done, and then we'll move to the front. Meanwhile, while she's doing that, I'm gonna weed whack. Great job as always. And I'm enjoying a nice peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Alright guys, so this is a wrap on this one.
You did a nice job.
Oh,
nice
thanks.
job.
Thank you very much. See, I had the easy job on this property. I rode around on the walker. Brandon blew out all the corners. Although I did pick up more sticks than him, so. All cleaned up nice. Yeah, the wind is bad today. Yeah, it's taken a couple of leaves from the neighbor's yard, so. All right, so that's it for here. We're gonna head to our next property, which is probably about 10 minutes. In the same city here, we're in Attleboro. And the next two that we're gonna do are on the same street. So we'll catch you on that one.
Yeah, it's all set. All right, property number 2. Not too bad. We did a fall cleanup here before. But some leaves to blow out of the mulch beds. And blow them into the yard and have Renee suck them up with the walker. That's about it, really. Shouldn't be too bad. It doesn't look too bad. Okay. So I'm gonna start blowing. I'm gonna blow out the mulch beds, blow it into the yard, have Renee suck it with the walker. We'll stop there. not fun. I'd blow out all the beds and the wind would come and blow all the leaves right back in, but we're able to get it done. Customer's happy, so I'm happy. It's not perfect, but it's not gonna be. You got this guy over here blowing leaves. His leaves are going back into my finished work. But came out pretty nice. For the most part, it's clean. We'll be back next week to mow it anyway. So any leaves that are left over in the yard, we'll suck them up with the walker on the next time that we're here. A lot of mulch beds here. Alright, so we just got done with that, with property number 2. We're not going to get to any more properties today. The wind is just too much. You know, we got these 20-30 mile an hour gusts coming out of nowhere and just blowing leaves around and making a mess. So we were able to muscle our way through this one, and that's going to be a wrap for today. We appreciate you guys taking the time to watch our videos. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. That'd be greatly appreciated. Hon, you have anything to add?
I do not. No, I'm just getting all the dirt out of my face. We gotta do something with that machine.
Yeah, it's so dry out right now. Then all the air that's coming out of the back of the walker hopper is just loaded with dirt, and it's spraying back at us. So, oh well, what are you gonna do? All right, guys, we appreciate you watching our videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.
Happy Easter to everybody that celebrates.
Oh yeah, happy Easter, everybody.
Yes, happy Easter.
All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.